Okay, so I have been behind on Starwind updates for a while. And if I flip over to, do I have that pulled up? Yes, I do. If I pull that up over here, I can go to the mod nexus and you can see how old these directions are because even the OpenMW launcher is updated because this is like Starwind Remastered 1.15. And that was the version I was on for the last little bit. And now we are all the way up to, let me pull that back up. We are all the way up to version 3.1. So I've been really bad at keeping up on it. Let's see if I can, there we go. So yeah. I need to update that. So that's what we're gonna do right here. And a lot of the modding for OpenMW has gotten a lot easier, like I said. So we're gonna go through a few very simple steps to get OpenMW installed. I've already set up most of the folders already because of the way that OpenMW now allows you to set up your the file structure. You actually don't have to quite go through and back up everything, it seems. So I'm going to go through and I am going to take this and we're just going to extract it straight up. We're going to get that. We're going to go to our home folder. We're going to go find our games folder because that's where I have everything right there. We find OpenMW, Starwind, and then we extract from there. And give it a second. It's like 1.5 gigs of a zip file. So it's going to take a minute to unzip. Never mind, it just finished up right when I clicked that pause button. So yeah, now that we've got that, we go to the Starwind folder and we've got Starwind 3.1 here. We've got all of our other files here. So we've got our Morrowind INI if we really feel like that. Maybe I updated. I don't know. Who knows? Who cares? So what is really nice about this is if I go to the OpenMW launcher, go to my data files, I'm going to create a new content list. We're going to call this Starwind because I deleted the old one. We are going to pick Morrowind ESM is our thing. We're going to pick both Blood Moon and Tribunal. I'm not going to pick Tamriel Remastered because that's not what we're looking at for Starwind. So we can go through and we could pick others if we wanted to. Now, if I remember correctly, we can go into data directories. And what we can do is we can append a directory to it. So we can go out. We don't need the bin folder. We need that one, our OpenMW, Starwind, Starwind 3.1, data files, and open. Okay? It's going... Yep. We're going to read that one. That's going to have our additional data files in it. You can see I've got separate ones for the Tamriel Rebuilt stuff, and that's how I've been doing Tamriel Rebuilt, is separate folders from the actual Morrowind install. So now I can go to Content Files, and I can select that one and that one. Now they're highlighted green because they're not on the current content list. But once we click play and we go or we quit out of the launcher, it will actually save it to the launcher config. So we can go through here, make sure everything's correct. We go into settings, do advanced. We could change things up here and there, but we can go in and now we've got our Starwind data files set up. Our current content list is going to be Starwind rather than Tamriel Rebuilt. Once we click play, it's going to pull it up, and it should load Starwind just fine. And we can also use this to mod Starwind on top of that. So yeah, you can see we've got all our Starwind files, and we can go in. It doesn't have load because this is a different content folder. We can go into our options, and everything is hunky-dory there. We can language, scripts, so on and so forth. We click OK. Apparently it decided it wanted to allow us to load up other stuff. Let's see. That's not what we're looking for. Is it El Cheapo? No. Nope. Runner? No. Apparently it's none of these, so we're gonna cancel. Ah, yeah, that's why it grayed out. So we can go new game. We're gonna skip all that. So now we can play our Starwind just fine. And this is like a pretty quick and easy way to do it. It's actually not hard, so we can start up, do that, and goodbye. We pick our name as... can pick up our data pad. Or not. Don't want to let... Oh, there it is. Okay, yep. Got all of our various races in it. Ewok included. Jawa. Whatever floats your boat. It's all here. Anyway. And so, that's all we have. That's the easy way to install Starwind. And it works pretty well. It's worked with Tamriel Rebuilt flawlessly. You can put all your mod files into the data folder here and load them up just like normal and append them through the launcher. And then once I go back and relaunch the launcher, you can see we've got our Starwind folder there. It's got these added on because, again, it appended it to the config. Because now it just does it automatically. You don't have to go through the directions and do the hard stuff anymore. If you liked the content, if you enjoyed it, if you think I deserve it, like, comment, subscribe, leave any criticisms you have or what have you. I appreciate it. Feed that algorithm, like I said, and I will see you guys in the next one.